told me around my hood. What do they say? Every time you see me, I
Get a bit of attitude there.
I get money.
Only 16, you've got great confidence, you've got a great image. You were absolutely born to be a pop star.
Don't you? Yeah, but this ain't about you.
There's something special about you, and I really, really like Keisha. I really do.
And then suddenly here you are, and the world's gone mad. How do you feel?
Oh, amazing. It's just so, it's like all of a sudden, people know who I am. It's
Well,
like,
you must have done that months ago.
Yeah.
So you're waiting for it to come out on the telly and wondering what the reaction is going to be.
And the song choice that you did, it's not, I mean, it's well known to people that would know that sort of music, but to a lot of people, they were like, oh, I haven't heard this. And it was actually something really different.
Yeah.
And the judges are always saying, we want something really different. Now, is this just you, or did you sort of consider that before you came on?
I didn't really want to do a song that everybody would be like, oh, well, that's typical of her doing that. So I thought, well, this is the sort of artist I want to be, so I might as well give an insight of, you know, what I'd like to.
Can you do the other stuff? Because I always worry about when they go to the live show, if they suddenly have like Westlife Week and you've got to do Flying Without Wings, like, can you do that too?
Yeah, I've sort of done all different sorts of genres. Yeah, I'm open to try anything really, but I do love my hip hop.
I love you doing that as well.
Thank you.
Colleen's in the hub. She's got some questions that are coming in from Facebook and Twitter and on our website. What you got, Colleen?
Well, it's been going absolutely mental in here on Facebook and Twitter. Lots of people actually asking for Cher's phone number, which we've said no to, of course. But here's one question from Sarah Perkins on Facebook. She says, I thought Cher was fantastic. She has an excellent voice. And her question is, who would she most want to perform with?
Oh, a duet. Who would it be?
It'd have to be Nicki Minaj. I'm a big fan.
We're looking at you going,
Yeah,
yeah, I
we're
know,
nodding
love
now,
Nicki
yeah.
Minaj, she's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Is she R&B?
Yeah, she's like female rap.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool, sounds good.
Next one, Colleen.
You knew that, didn't you, Colleen?
This is from Lauren on Twitter. He says, what does it feel like for you to have all this attention already?
Oh, it's a bit weird, I'd say, because, you know, you're walking down the street and nobody really takes any notice of you, and then all of a sudden it's like, are you from X Factor? And I'm like, yeah, and I don't know how to, like, I don't know what to do with myself.
You're going to have to get used to it.
Yeah, it's so odd.
Well, the people do pick up lots of things, and I think that, Colleen, your final one is from Beverly Wright, isn't it?
It is Beverly Wright on Facebook, who says, sorry about this, I'd like to know why Cher pulls funny faces when she sings.
Did you know you did that?
Probably. You know, I can't sing with my mouth shut, so I'm going to have to try and get it out somehow. I'm sorry if you think that, love. I'm really
it's all
sorry.
part of the attitude as well
Yeah, I
that
think
goes with the
that's my
song.
I probably
think
make
so.
some really weird faces. I'm really sorry. I don't mean to half the time. Like,
Listen, we wish you the very best of luck,
Thank you.
and
Thank you
maybe
for
one day you
coming
can
in.
come back and sing for us.
I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very much indeed. Thanks. What we've got still to come, we've got